this is my review of the Sadie's controller. The Sadie controller comes with a power cable, a manual, a controller. Well, this is why you're buying it. So now I'm gonna show you how to connect it. So you go to the power grip icon, then you go change grip, L and R. Now you press the home button. Now you press L and R. I'll try connect. Now it's connected. You see the little 1. So it's connected now. Next, we're gonna play some games. But overall, the controller feels really good. It's really working because you can see I'm moving it. So if you want to know where to get it, the link is down below. So I'm just gonna play some Pokemon. Give it a minute. So the only thing this controller doesn't have is NFC for Amiibo and the Wake on home. So overall it's pretty good. I like it a lot. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace.